Today we will see how to separate two large neodymium magnets. Look like about 2 by 2 by 1 inch magnets with a separator. On a solid table he presses down firmly and simply slides it off to avoid having the magnets slam into each other. To put them back together he simply slides it back on, controlling the speed with physical resistance. He must then keep the magnets physically separated from one another. He is wearing heavy gloves and eye protection. If not done properly, neodymium magnets even near this size have a chance of slamming together, causing severely injured fingers in the process.